Python for AI. Beginner level. Introduction. Python is one of the most popular programming languages used in artificial intelligence. AI development. Many AI researchers, engineers, and data scientists use Python because it is easy to learn, powerful, flexible, supported by many AI libraries. Python allows developers to build systems that can analyze data, recognize images, understand language, make predictions. Because of these advantages, Python has become the most widely used language for AI and machine learning. What is Python? Python is a high-level programming language designed to be simple and readable. In simple words, Python equals a programming language used to build software, analyze data, and create AI systems. Python focuses on readability, which makes it easier for beginners to learn programming. Example Python code. Print. Hello AI. Output. Hello AI. This simplicity is one reason Python is popular in AI. Why Python is used for AI. Python has several features that make it ideal for artificial intelligence. Simple syntax. Python code is easy to read and write. Example. Numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Total equals sum. Numbers. Print. Total. The code is clear and easy to understand. Large ecosystem of libraries. Python provides many powerful libraries that help developers build AI systems quickly. Some important AI libraries include NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn. These libraries provide tools for data analysis and machine learning. Strong community support. Python has a large community of developers and researchers. This means many tutorials are available. Problems are easier to solve. New tools are constantly being developed. Community support helps beginners learn AI faster. Popular Python libraries for AI. Python offers many libraries designed for artificial intelligence. NumPy. NumPy is used for numerical computing. Example. Import NumPy as NP. Numbers equals NP, array. 1, 2, 3, 4. Print. Numbers. Mean. NumPy helps perform mathematical operations efficiently. Pandas. Pandas is used for working with structured data. Example. Import pandas as PD. Data equals name, Alice, Bob, score, 90, 85, closing curly bracket, df equals PD, data frame, data, print, df. Pandas makes it easier to analyze datasets. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn provides tools for machine learning algorithms such as classification, regression, clustering. Example concept. Dataset means scikit-learn model means prediction. It is widely used for beginner machine learning projects. TensorFlow and PyTorch. These libraries are used for deep learning. They help build neural networks used in image recognition, speech recognition, natural language processing. These frameworks are used by many major AI companies. Example. Simple AI idea in Python. A basic concept of analyzing data. Numbers equals 10, 20, 30, 40. Average equals sum. Numbers. Len. Numbers. Print. Average. Quote. Average. Output. Average. 25. Although simple, this example shows how programs process data to generate results. Real AI systems analyze much larger datasets. AI development workflow using Python. Python is often used in the following AI workflow. Collect data. Down pointing arrow. Prepare dataset. Down pointing arrow. Train machine learning model. Down pointing arrow. Evaluate model performance. Down pointing arrow. Make predictions. Python libraries help automate these steps. Real-life applications built with Python. Python is used to build many AI systems such as recommendation systems, fraud detection tools, chatbots, image recognition systems, language translation systems. Many popular AI platforms use Python. Real-life analogy. Using Python for AI is like using power tools to build a machine. Instead of building everything from scratch, developers use Python libraries that already provide powerful tools. This allows them to focus on solving problems rather than implementing complex algorithms from the beginning. Skills needed to use Python for AI. To build AI systems with Python, developers often learn Python programming, mathematics and statistics, data analysis, machine learning algorithms. These skills help developers create intelligent systems. Concepts learned from Python for AI. Learning Python for AI introduces beginners to concepts such as checkmark data analysis, checkmark machine learning models, checkmark neural networks, checkmark automation. These skills are widely used in modern technology, where Python AI systems are used. Python-based AI systems are used in many industries, including healthcare, finance, e-commerce, cybersecurity, transportation, education. AI tools built with Python help organizations analyze data and automate decisions. Simple definition. Python for AI. Using the Python programming language and its libraries to build artificial intelligence and machine learning systems. Final summary. Python has become the most widely used programming language for artificial intelligence development. Its simple syntax, powerful libraries, and strong community support make it ideal for building intelligent systems. Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch provide tools for data analysis and machine learning. By learning Python, beginners can start building AI applications and exploring the rapidly growing field of artificial intelligence.